Hello Tech Genius, I am Ravi. Have you ever imagined a place where learning is as dynamic as the technology shaping your world? Then here's a deal. With iMatix, you can make sure the learning is exciting, impactful right from the beginning. You have interactive sessions with expert-led courses. In the world of tech, from data science to cloud computing, it's not just about a session, it's about doing, building, learning by solving real problems. So let's get started.
Guys, let's start the session. We did all the pre-checks before we're going to do a job description. What are the activities we need to do post that? Today we are going to creating a job description. The job description is related to the L1, L2, L3 software engineers. To doing this activity, we need to go to the software. Yes, first we need to go to the search bar, select our supervisory organization. I'm going to select my supervisory organization on. Here is HRIS. Have a tap on to the supervisory organization of HRIS. And first we need to check the staffing moments. Staffing moments. The staffing model has been activated to the position management. This we need to change as a job management. To change in job management option, we need to go to the supervisory organization. I am going to be tapping on to the supervisory organization called Bankit. Under that, I am going to Actions. We need to go on to the organization. Under the organization, we have an option called Edit Staffing Model. In this, we have an option called Position Management and Job Management. We need to make our job management has been enabled from here. Tap on to this option. Job management has been enabled. Tap to Done. And now we need to tap on to the HRIS supervisory organization. Staff. Under the staffing, we need to tap on to the create position. Coming to here, we got the same, formatted, job description area. And we need to start from here, position request reason. Tap on to the three dots. In this, we need to have a select of create position. The create position, no data. Let's go with on hire. Create position on hire. On here, I'm going to select create position for hire, fill the vacancy. Here it has been mentioned crypto hire. On the live data, you will get only create position. Fill the vacancies. Have a select of this option and mention the job title. Tell me which tool you would like me to hire the employee. Anyone can suggest me that. Once managing finance manager will come under a position management. Anyone like Namrata mentioned yesterday, let's go with the Workday HCM functional consultant Suresh. We'll go with all. Namrata, sorry. Net. Workday HCM consultant. And number of positions I required is 10 people and coming to the start date and end date. It depends on today's date. I'm mentioning 13/2022 and I'm giving a 1 month tat for this 2022. 30/22 and coming to that, do not select this. No job restrictions, just leave as an empty. Coming to the job family, we need to go on to Workday HCM. You can enter direct Workday. You will get in a Workday. Consultants have a select of this. Tap on to the job profile. Under this, you can have a tap on Workday. In this, have a select of Workday consultants once again. Coming to the job description, from where you will collide the Workday consultant job description Ava in Lata. No, I think we'll get that along with the request. Very good. We will get the details, the complete details from the whom the person was giving the requested to us. I'm selecting here on Workday consultant. Coming to here, I'm going to taking the copy paste of this roles and responsibilities of job description Workday HCM consultant. I'm giving a copy paste of the description. It's in JD. Post giving my job description on here. I'm going to select my location, Hyderabad. Post select my location, tap on to the time type of full type, worker type cognizant worker. Worker type we need to select with our employee. You people aware about what is meant by contract employee and what is meant by full-time employee. Guys, quickly yes or no? Thank you. I'm selected as on regular default login as is 40 and FTE is 100% critical job. And feedback to the easy to the work that is feedback difficult to fill all this formula. It's easy to let's ask for your criteria. I can mention it off and body of the email. Post that, go to the qualifications bucket and tap on to the skills. This all you know, people, how to fill this and select your Workday consultant in advance. Well, the HCM Techno functional tap onto the Education tab to the required selective degree. Select your specification. Madhava, from the hiring manager, you written something. What is your output? Could you please unmute yourself? You asked from where we get the job description. You got my answer has some ethics. Certification. If it is required, few organizations will provide the certifications to the new employees. Few organizations will ask the employees to get the certificate from the market. Select your country, select your certification or Workday Core HCM certification. Workday HCM certification. Work experience. Have it work experience level. You can have a select of senior level competition. Have a tap onto the required set select configuration. Create new. Enter here your tool name, effective date. Sorry for the inconvenience. Have a select of your effective date. It will take automatic capture. Tap. Come to the qualifications. Roles and responsibilities we already given in the job description finding we already updated. Tell me, can anyone, what is the changes you observed to the position management and job management? Quickly. I was just about to ask, like it's looked at the similar, how we can decide the position management and job family or the position family. Only in these three layers. First of all, I think the job posting title makes the difference 100%. The position, request, reason, the job position title and the selection of job family and job family group. Only this fight will give you the differentiation of making the stuff. Click. Like, is it similar to the thing that you mentioned to us on the other day that if it is job only L1, L2, L3 and people working on the organizational requirements will be in job position and job posting. And if it is position management will be managers, team leaders and above of L4 and above. I'll show you once again. Till here it's clear to you. Yes. I'm going to tapping on to submit of this. This is how we need to create a job. Position management and job management, job descriptions of the employees. Now we need to identify and significant. First, as I said, you tell me the basic organization infrastructure quickly Anyone take it. Has Irvine Private Limited CEO Vice President. Irvine Private Limited CEO Vice President, GM subordinate, GM supervisor, supervisor subordinate, subordinate. Training team, one side, admin team. Everyone is copied at notebook. We have to be kept in some minders. Training team. Next step, ops team. Ops team, admin team, operation team, admin, payroll and marketing. We understand it very clearly. You know how to create a job profile and how to create a job for job description to the job management and position management. How you people identify what are the position management you have and what are the job management you have, how you people go into being identified. This Did you understand that my question? Anyone? Yes. How you will like going to identify why? Because see, until unnecessary idea. When I started to understand work, they had same techno function at 2014. I understand this many departments we have. These are all designations we have with that until unless I used to take care of the only my HR related activities. My HR team is like head of all the departments. I feel something like that. When I enter into the world, they had same techno functional. I understand, my way of thought process has been changed. Single organization. Under that, there was a several departments. Under several departments, there was a several designations. Under several designations, we need to identify the job management and position management. This is the task we have in the world. Is that correct? Let's do this. Before we are going to do this activity, you people have understand that how to create a job is the description of position and job management. Coming to that HR team, in this HR team, tell me the designations, how many designations we have. Manager place, assistant manager, executive, senior executive, senior executive team leader, senior HR, next senior, next L1 or to HRR. We can mention like this. Can anyone tell me how many people in this will come under position and job management? Tell me fast, quickly. And manager, assistant manager and senior team leader, senior HR will come under position. L2, L3 will be under jobs. Next is everyone will agree with the KUSM point. Very, very, very good, yes. Coming to this, all these people will come under the position management. I will tell you why. Are you going to hire the HRIS based on the designation, or you was going to hire any of the tool or the KUSML at TA Namurda? Can you please repeat the question, Suresh? Are you going to hire a candidate through their designation or the any tool, frequency, or there? For HR, most probably it is the designation and experience. Designation only where it comes to job management, Namortha. But again, when it comes to freshers and new hires, it is mostly to do with the tool Suresh. They do not have any kind of experience, nor we go with the designation there. Like you take interns or level 1s. No, I got your question. It is very simple, QSMA. If HR is having a fresher experience and we are going to hire from the tool you said. Here in the HR department there is no any tool. HR team in the sense it's a designation. Where is the tool in this? Show me. Correct? And coming to the tri-linking, tell me the designations quickly. Quickly, can anyone tell me how many designations will come under a position and how many designations will come under a job? Arvind Lata Tejasri Meena Namrata Namital Nagajayoti. AX Trainers Rich. The last one, they're going to come to the job management. This will senior trainer or maybe no, I think I'm confused here, but I'm sure these people must be working on tools, at least a part of them. No one is working on tools. They have their learning and LMS tools. Learning management systems, yes. See, my question is, are you going to hire the candidate through tool or the designation? You don't worry and you forget about it whether they're going to use. Do you think a HR is not going to use LMS portal? We do use, but after this logic I am now into complete confusion. No, I'll get you clarified. That is only, I started these things. All the people will come under and position management, HR and training. Guys, tell me in this how many will come under a position management and how many will come under a job management? If you did not understand any sequence, please ask me. I'll repeat it. Assistant Manager 10 Java developers L1, L3 and .NET developers L1 to L3. And 5 members of testing and quality. Team members is 5. Quickly. Except Java and Java developer and .NET developer, remaining all comes under a position. Only these two come under a job. Who's that? Sir, this is page 3. Could you repeat your answer? except Java developer and .NET developers. Remaining everything comes under training position management. Appreciated. Manager and assistant manager, team leader, SMEs, and all these people, and along with the testing team and quantity, all these people will come under and position management. Only the Java developers and .NET developers will come under a job management. How you identified. You have clearly mentioned regarding the job and position. Very good. Very good. Appreciate it. Could you be clear? No, I'm really confused here. Tell me where your science has been confused. Like how you've come to that classification of job and position for this particular ops team, because as like whatever I have understood, you said that if you're hiring somebody based on their designation, it is a position management, and if you're hiring somebody based on the tool, it's going to be job management. Job management is what I understood. But here, how did you do that differentiation? Manager is position management. Assistant manager is also in position. Team leader is in position here. SME, I'm confused. It can be job also. SME is in position management only. SME is a subject matter expert. But expert in what? Expert in the tool, or what is the expert about? We are going to hire an SME to the process. We are going to hire him, the man with the designation. They are an acting team, latest in the operations. Definitely, once they was been assigning to our requirements, we will go in to download them. What are the programs you are going to do in the organization? Got it, Suresh? And what about this? 10 Java developers and 20 doctorate developers, they will come under a job management. Job management on testing team and quality team. But they are also again working on tools. Test? No, I'm not clear on that part. Testing team also will come under a position management, and quality team also come under in position management. Quality team, they're going to test the product, whatever the 10 Java developers, 20 net developers was implemented. Sure. Thank you, everyone. All of you cleared? Yes. Thank you. And coming to that, do you want me to tell about the admin team, payroll team, marketing team is enough for you? My question is, Suresh, like if once we get the requirement, like we have to make the position or the job management, we have to identify ourselves that we have to make this as a position, management, and or the job family. The basic download, the person, who's ever the person giving end request to you, even they have that the knowledge of what is meant by job and what is meant by position. If you did not identify also, you can directly check with him, or by watching its job description, you can easily identify any second whether you're doing for the position or job. I understand. Coming to that, the rest teams also we need to do for the same process. Only the thing is, you need to very clear what is meant by designation and what is meant by tool differentiation. Everyone, Arvind, Jim's, Jasmine and rest, all people Tejasri. People should aware about, what is the difference between POJI, designation and the tool related activity. Whatever the job description, for we created the same pattern which we need to use either position or job. And what about the CEO job profile and vice president, general managers, supervisors, subordinated? What is the process to create these people? Job descriptions. There was a slight difference to create the top level management people like board of directors, CEO, vice president, general managers, supervisors, subordinated. We have another process to create it. These people will directly come under to the position management, and that position management we are going to understand how to create it. I'll show you how to do that activity. We need to go to the search bar, enter create job profile. We will get create job profile tasks. Have a tap on here. Enter here. Month. 8 would be at 12/2022. Have a tap to. This is how to create a CEO, supervisors, vice presidents, general managers, board of directors. Job descriptions will slightly start for one by one. You tell me which one you would like me to create it now. See you. Are we able to see my screen? Yes. CEO we are going to enter. What is CEO observation? Chief Executive Officer. There is no any job code. We can give the direct observation. CEO means Chief Executive Officer. And we need to enable this. Enter job code that is already used. I created a lot many times. I'm just mentioning Cloud Foundation. I'm just adding this. And job title. Again, I'm going to mention CEO and country. I'm going to sell it. Job management level is important, guys. Here, you need to sell it. Whether are you going to hire and director, or are you going to hire and board of directors or chief executive officer, vice president, supervisors with vice presidents, which designation you're going to creating a job description. You need to sell it here. I'm going to selecting my CEO option. Job level on the live tenant, who doesn't get 32-point essay, but only you will get CEO option. Job level you can mention here. See you again. And job family. Again, CEO job family group. Job category. Oh. This case, Motown, Mototown, this all will not appear. Your live tenant. You will get only CEO all here. Company insight type. Go with all. In this have a select of others. Referral payment plan. In this you can sell it. House allowance. House allowance is not available. I'm selecting here joining bonus. According to Indian term policies, CEO don't have any shift. He can able to work in the 24 hours, any shift which he likes. And there is no login as to counted for him. But a few organizations have the rules of shift of the permanent shift to the CEOs and along with the login, as but most of the organization is not allowed to do that. If it is not allowed, you can leave these 3 blocks as an empty. If your organization is maintaining a shift to the CEO login, as you need to select this work shift required and public job is mandatory. It is both the options you need to make as an enable. If it is not, just leave it as an empty. Coming to the pay rate type, go to the country, select IND, India and pay rate type. You need to go on the INR Indian rupees. If it is a bread, you can sell it as per your countries and state codes. Difficult to fill this feedback to that birthday. As per your choice, critical job have enabled compensation. Here I'm going to enter a plus. Why I'm entering a plus the grade related activities. I will tell you once we started the compensation. Next we need to start with the con for compensation complications only post completing this activity. There you people can understand what is mean by grade A and B, all these activities. I'm not getting the data. I need to select grade A only on below also, but unfortunately I did not receive any data. I'm just moving out of to the next option, coming to this union. If you people walking in abroad and you would like to apply any CEO related category jobs, you people should have the CEO's union membership certification. This was specified specifically. This is going to given by the abroad countries US, Australia, Canada and Germany. They have the certain unions. If anyone is applying for the CEO's position, they need to go under the certification. In India, we have like somewhere like a green belt, black belt, yellow belt, Six Sigma kind of stuff. It related to the little differences to the skill sets handlation of organization in the critical situations related to that. They are going to undergo the skill training for that. Have a tap on this union membership. If it is abroad, we need to sell it as required. And hello unions, you need to tap on these 3 action dots. You will get all active unions on here. Have a tap on this. Tell me which union is your organization expected. The candidate should carry that certificate. You can sell it to your university of union of your CEO courses. And if it is India, you can directly sell it, not allowed. Clear, everyone? Any questions? Kusmalatha? Thank you. Coming to this, you need to select your country. Compensation. Have a tap onto the place. Most probably compensation. CEO will receive either joining bonus or house allowance. Free quarters from the organization, something like that. I'm going to sell it here. House and furniture floor coverage compensation. She was getting from the organization's certifications. As I already said you, if it is required, select plus mark, tap to the required country. Six Sigma Black Belt. Commutation. Tap on to the required configuration. Come on and select New Enter CEO. Select the automatic date of this. Tap to that. It was being already registered. Cloud Foundation. Private Limited. Have it up to you. Suppose that. Come to the rating. In that you can select 1:5. You can set up the rating of 5. You know what is all? This is all you know, similar to the same to the regular job profile and position management related. Tap on to the place mark. Tap to the required languages. You know what and all you need to sell it. After the place mark again. Job classifications. Enter CO. Responsibility, skills, training, work experience. We can directly enter in. This is a job description directly. Usually from where you will collect the job descriptions of top level management. Can anyone answer? Directors, board of directors. If you're doing board of directors and CU was both, we will have to create a website of the company. Now we doesn't get the details of the company. We need to collide the data from, the center HR had not HR manager the particular branch HR had. We need to collide the company data or the respective person whom several assigning this task to us, either our team leader or any one of the other contact person we have. We need to ask the person to share the complete details. But from where will the HR head get all the details? I mean, is he really eligible to kind of make a job description for CEO or the board of directors? See, for that, you need to understand one thing. Every organization has been started. The organization should maintain the rule book. The rule book should maintain that the complete details the on person or X widget person. Otherwise, we cannot start the organization for the policy framework. Yes, definitely. It should have the rule book. If you have started the organization, that's a basic understand that the infrastructure, which data, where I need to get from, how I need to receive and how he is going to create is not my headache. My data is required. If you give, I can make the things done as per your requirement. If you don't have that, I'm sorry, I'll escalate it to my team that is going to deal with you. Thank you. That's it. Sure. And work study. In this, this option will be not allowed for the area organization. While working with you, will your organization supports to study? No, definitely. CEO cannot do like that. Post completing all these activities, is anyone having any question that Suresh, I did not understand this sequence. Can you repeat this? Please put it across to me quickly. Could you please explain me what is meant by competency here? And on what basis we are giving the rating? You're given some rating like 5-star rating or something. On what basis we are giving that rating and what is meant by the actual competency, because it's not. I understand your question. Competency is, it will represent designation. Target rating is either 1:5 or 100 or below the 100. The rating coming to that language is how we are going to select, fluency. Why can't I select that one's intermediate? And these things? Beginner. No, why can't I select these activities? He must be slowly, and because we are starting, if we hiring any of the employee, I want the employee should be contribute 100%. That reason we selected for that. There isn't any mandatory, but I'm going to give you 100% of each and everything. And any other questions? Guys, quickly I'm going to take you the other step. Also, it is coming to the different staffing modules. What are our positions? We understand what is meant by how to create a job profile and how to create a position job description. What are all positions we have in that and different types of staffing module. In the sense, yes, we are looking out of different staff or different types of staffing modules. The CEO, whenever you would like to change, you would like to create a board of directors or you'd like to create a vice presidents or supervisors or general managers, subordinators, you can only need to change this. Job level is important. In this particular scenario, rest all the options from the job profile. You need to start giving the designation name till the job category. Rest, you can maintain the same category as per the requirement of your particular designation. Clear, everyone? Kus? Yes, Suresh. Thank you. Have a tap onto the submit. Tap. Yes, I got an error. To remove this target rating of 5, tap to once again. I successfully created. You can able to see on here. Am I? This is what the complete outcome of the details. This is how we need to create a CEO's board of directors, supervisors and vice presidents, general managers job description, guys. You people understand the differentiation to create a job description related to the designations and tools. Am I clear? Yes, Suresh. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.